Healthcare professionals, or HCPs, are navigating a rapidly evolving landscape shaped by shifting patient needs, emerging technologies, and staffing challenges. Timely access to the right information is crucial for delivering top-quality patient care. Enter Adobe Learning Manager, designed to elevate learning experiences across the HCP's journey. By personalized learning experiences powered by AI-driven search and recommendations. On-brand omni-channel experiences across devices. Blended and engaging anytime, anywhere learning. A simplified admin setup, workflow automation, and deep insights on learning. Let's bring this to life with a use case. Meet VitalTech, a fictional US-based medical device manufacturer specializing in comprehensive bioprocessing solutions for the biopharmaceutical industry. VitalTech leverages Adobe Learning Manager to engage effectively with its key customers. Here's how. Meet Diana Edwards, a cell culture specialist at LifeCure Therapeutics, one of VitalTech's key clients. Diana plays a critical role in the procurement of medical hardware. To find the best bioreactor for LifeCure, Diana searches online for single-use bioreactors and their comparison to traditional ones. She finds an e-learning course offered by VitalTech and clicks the link. The link directs her to VitalTech's learning platform, showcasing a rich catalog of valuable learning resources. She reads the course summary, checks the duration, instructor details, and clicks Enroll. A pop-up appears. Register your interest. Diana fills in her details: name, email, organization, role, and areas of interest, and registers herself. Once inside the VitalTech Learning Portal, Diana is pleasantly surprised. The platform already recognizes her interest in biopharmaceuticals, curating a list of recommended courses and webinars tailored to her field. She discovers insights into what her peers are learning, and even connects with professionals sharing similar passions. She clicks Enroll and then starts the course. The course itself is hosted on a user-friendly player, blending videos, interactive modules, presentations, and more, creating an engaging and immersive experience. Upon completion, Diana earns a badge, recognizing her new expertise, with the option to proudly share it with her network. Soon after, she receives a follow-up email summarizing her achievements and encouraging her to explore more learning opportunities. For VitalTech's administrators, setting up this seamless experience is effortless, thanks to Adobe Learning Manager's extended enterprise features and workflow automation capabilities. Adobe Learning Manager helps personalize customer education programs, ensuring engaging, impactful learning journeys for your doctors, nurses, clinicians, and other healthcare professionals. With Adobe Learning Manager, you can elevate learning experiences across the HCP's journey and transform your educational interventions to personalized learning interactions.